Good evening. Sorry about the lighting. This evening is the second video of three to address the challenges I face in my classroom as it relates to instructional technology. In my school, the Promethean board plays a key component in a method of instruction. Every room has their own Promethean board, but one of the key components to making it so successful is the use of a software called Active Inspire. Since the software was new to me, I signed up for the training provided by the local college to show me ideas and strategies to implement it effectively in my classroom. I learned a lot and was grateful I took the class. Once the school year began, I started implementing the ideas I learned from my class, and I quickly noticed a problem I was going to be fighting with this new program all year long. The problem was that in order for it to work, I was going to have to create and design all of my lessons at school because I do not have access to the software at home. When the school is located 30 miles away from my house, that was not going to work well for me. So on the hunt I went, looking for a program that would allow me to use my personal computer at home to design and create the flip charts without having to purchase the Active Inspire software. This time I found a web-based tool that is compatible with the Active Inspire software, and it does not require downloading anything onto my personal computer to make it work. The tool I found was called Gynzy. You can find it at gynzy.com. That's gynzy.com. Once you create a free account and log in, you'll have access to the tools. The site provided me with a lot of functions that I have with my Active Inspire software. I can type text, add shapes, modify the background, add pages, and transitions. So why don't I just use PowerPoint? Well, here's why. This software has gadgets, a lot like Active Inspire, within the touch of my fingertips that I can incorporate into my lessons to help make them more interactive. Under the Tools menu, I have access to a wide array of gadgets and tools that I can sort and filter based on grade level, subject, and content. The tools are easily able for me to input because all I have to do is tap on them to be inserted into the page. If the information is too challenging for my second graders, I have the option to modify the settings of the tool to meet my desired needs. Then once I have it the way I want it, I can save it to my favorites and I can easily find it again next time. The other part that I find is an advantage for me is I can share my creations with my coworkers and they can use it on their boards too. Most importantly though, I do not have to worry about staying late at school and missing out on important things at home because I have the abilities to work on my lessons when it is convenient for me, whether that be during my playing time at school or during the evenings from the comfort of my home.